Hi everybody, it's Claire with another art journal video. Today I'm playing in a different journal, surprise surprise. It's the Dina Wakley Blue Media Edition journal, and I'm going to be playing with some collage elements from Mischief Circus. Now sadly this website has recently stopped selling, but I did have these collage elements that I'd already bought and downloaded. So what I did was I went through and looked at all of the things that were on the downloads and put them onto another piece of another new document on my computer, and then just printed out the ones that I wanted, and it worked quite well. So I've just cut them all out and kind of arranged them roughly where I think they're going to go on the page, and then I've added a thin layer of gesso to the page, and I'm going to do like an ombre effect with paint onto this page. So I'm using Dilutions paint, and I've used crushed grape, laid back lilac and periwinkle blue, and these colours do blend beautifully together. I think these are some of my favourite colours. Look how well they blend, just so pretty. So then once that was dry, I then using some of the white on white collage tissue paper from Dina Wakley. Again, this circle one is another of my favourites. I often use it to just break up the background a little bit. It gives a bit of a start without being too in your face, and it isn't something that you're going to struggle to cover over. So then I'm using this stencil, which is also from Dilutions, and it's called Martha's Matte, and this is the large one, and I'm just using some white paint, and just in some areas I'm just adding a little bit of stenciling using a blending tool. Then I have used some of the crushed grape and added a bit of white with it, and I've just moved the stencil slightly one way, and I'm just adding like a shadow effect using this darker colour. So once all that was dry, I then started adding my collage pieces in to create the image that I played around with before I created the background, and I'm just gluing them in place. This is a really quick page. It's just about having a bit of fun. Sometimes that's all you need, just a really quick page that's not too involved, creating a bit of impact in a really easy way. You could just as easily create an image like this using pieces from a magazine. You can kind of create a slightly funky image to have on your page. You don't have to have ones that you've downloaded from somewhere. I'm also using some washi tape, and I'm just adding some washi tape stripes onto the dress of, or the body shape of this lady that is on my page, or person. She could be whatever, they could be whatever. So just measuring the washi tape, sticking it on, and just trimming off the edges. And then I'm just using this Posca pen. I'm just going around that left-hand side of the figure and just adding a bit of Posca pen and just smudging it with my finger, just to help that figure. The figure was kind of disappearing into the background a little bit too much, so just kind of pushing the background away a little bit more using that Posca pen. It was quicker than just getting my paint out. And then I'm using this Pit Marker pen. It's in one of the grey colours. It comes in a set of 5. They're all different shades of grey, and I'm just outlining around the body. Then I'm adding my words, so I'm just sketching these in first, just using my own writing, writing them in where I want them to go, and then once I know that I've got them all in the right place, I then go in again and just add a bit of detail to each letter. So you can see at the ends of each letter I'm putting almost like a triangle shape on each end, and it just creates a different style of font. I like to play with lettering on my journal pages. Sometimes it's something that I enjoy doing. And then I'm just using the same Posca pen, and I'm just adding some dots onto the page, just a bit of mark making. And there we go, nice and easy, and that's a super quick page. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you again soon.